new to this channel, please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quizcracker presentation.
What is the highest run record read in IPL 2012 by Chris Gayle? Answer: 733 runs. Who scored the most centuries in IPL? Answer: Chris Gayle with 6 centuries. How many sixes did Chris Gayle hit in IPL 2012? Answer: 6 sixes. Who holds the record of fastest 50 in IPL? Answer: KL Rahul in just 14 balls. Chris Gayle scored the fastest century in how many balls? Answer: 30 balls. Who took maximum wickets in single season of IPL? Answer: Dwayne Bravo. 32 wickets in IPL 2013. Who holds the record of best bowling figure in IPL? Answer: Alzari Joseph in IPL 2019 with impressive figure of 6/12. Who holds the record of maximum catches in a season in IPL? Answer: Kieran Pollard. 15 catches in IPL 2010. Which team scored the highest run in an innings in IPL 2013? Answer: Royal Challengers. 263-5 against Pune Warriors. Who holds the lowest run record in IPL? Answer: Rajasthan Royals. 58 runs IPL 2009. Which is the highest and most successful run chase in IPL? Answer: 217 runs. By Rajasthan Royals against Deccan Chargers in IPL in 2008. Who has won the most consecutive matches all in a row? Answer: Kolkata Knight Riders. KKR won 9 matches in a row in IPL 2014. Which team has lost most matches in IPL? Answer: Delhi Daredevils, now Delhi Capitals. Lost 11 matches in a row in IPL 2013. Which is the highest partnership runs in IPL? Answer: Chris Gayle and Virat Kohli shared a partnership of 204 runs in IPL 2014. Who holds the most economical bowling figure in an innings? Answer: Anil Kumble. Recorded figure of 5 for 5. For Royal Challengers Bengal. In IPL 2009. Which batsman holds highest individual score in a single match in IPL? Answer: Chris Gayle. Scored 175 for Royal Challengers against Pune Warriors in IPL 2013. Which wicket-keeper has the most dismissals in a season? Answer. Riddiman Saha holds this record of 18 dismissals in IPL 2018. 14 catches and 4 stumpings. Who holds the record of most ducks in IPL? Answer. Harbhajan Singh holds this record with 13 ducks in IPL. Who played the maximum matches in IPL? Answer. MS Dhoni has record of playing most matches, over 200. Who has the maximum hat tricks in IPL? Answer. Amit Mishra. He has to his record, the most hat tricks in IPL. He achieved this feat 3 times. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.